Welcome back to Bot Freaks, and today's video is about two of my favorite tools, Diptrace and SnapMagic, and their integration. If you design PCBs, you already know how important good component libraries are. I have been using SnapEDA for a long time now. I use it basically to download symbols, footprints, and 3D modules. It is for all kind of components like controllers or modules, uh, resistors, capacitors, any passive or active components. And SnapEDA has a huge library. Some of it is provided by the manufacturer, while there are also libraries provided by other users. I have used these libraries across multiple EDA tools like KiCad, Altium, Eagle, and Diptrace, and honestly, they have worked flawlessly every time. Also, a quick update: SnapEDA is now, rebranded to SnapMagic. This is, as you can see on the website, and this is where you go and download the tools. Like you just type in the number, the component name, like ESP32C3, and you search for the parts, and you can see it will give a lot of options. Like these are the chips and then the modules, and you can check the data sheet and download the symbol or the footprint or the 3D model here. Like if I click here, yeah, this is the symbol. And when you click on download symbols, you can see a list of softwares it supports, which is a list of tools. Altium, Diptrace, Eagle I've used, KiCad, and when you click on it, it just downloads. You have to log in first. um, but without logging in this tool, I'll just show you how it has been recently integrated into the Diptrace software. Recently I found out that Diptrace has a direct snap EDA integration built in the software itself. For that, we'll go to the schematic tool, and then we'll click on find components, and here is the option to search the SnapMagic directly, right? And here I'll do my login. uh, Put in, first you have to sign up, and then of course sign up on the website and then log in the software. Okay, so I'll just sign in, and here I'll search for ESP32C3, right? And then just like the website, you get a list of the similar components, and you can take a look what kind of components those are. Like for now, we'll select the module. Two options here. One is place the component directly or save to a library. You can add it to an active library, or you can create a new library. But we'll just place the component, as saving to the library is not compulsory. So we'll click on place component, and yeah, I think we selected the chip instead of module, so we'll go back. We'll search SnapMagic again, and here is the module, right? So we'll place the module, place component. Yeah, and just like that, the symbol has been added from the SnapMagic website or the SnapEDA library to your Diptrace schematic, right? And when we convert this into a layout, the footprint will directly be there. So you don't need to download the footprint from SnapMagic. It will just come directly. Just the 3D file or the 3D step file will be missing. So as you can see, there's no 3D model here. As there is no 3D model, we'll download it from SnapMagic. So we'll go to SnapMagic within the schematic, or you can go do it from the layout also, and we'll select the module. This is our module. No, I think this is our module, and we click on download the 3D model. We save it to the default path that you might have already set. So the step file or the 3D model has been downloaded. Now we'll load it. Yeah. Oops. So I think we downloaded the chip instead of the 3D model for the module. So we downloaded the chip instead of the 3D model for the module. So we'll go back. Let's do it from the layout this time. So we'll go to search. We'll go to search SnapMagic, and we'll go to ESP32. We'll search for ESP32C3, and here is the module. Yeah, so we make sure we have selected this. We'll download the 3D module. We'll save it to a default path. Yeah, okay, done. Now we'll update the 3D model here. Click on 3D model, and yeah, sometimes the 3D models are uh, not in the right angle, so you have to change the rotation. Yeah, and that fits perfectly. So just like that, as you can see, the symbol, footprint, and even 3D model are available immediately from the Snap EDA or SnapMagic website. No broken footprints, no mismatch pins, and it just works seamlessly. This integration is honestly a huge productivity boost, especially if you are doing rapid prototyping or working on new components. So if you are a Diptrace user, definitely try out the Snap EDA SnapMagic integration within the Diptrace software. It saves a lot of time and efforts. So let me know what you think about this. And thanks for watching, and happy PCB designing.